Begin by laying out all the parts of the blind in front of you. Set the light absorbing strips aside until the installation process is complete. Each end of each channel has a numbered sticker. Arrange the blind so that the numbers on the ends of each channel correspond to the ones they will connect with. This step ensures the frame will be assembled correctly. Carefully separate the fabric channel from the receiving channel, ensuring the cords remain untangled. Begin by push fitting the 2 channels marked with the number 1 sticker. Ensure the cord passes over the wheeled roller and straight down through the centre of the end cap. Confirm that the cord is not snagged and will not become tangled when connecting the corners. Repeat the same process for the pair of channels marked with the number 2. Next, move to the opposite end of the blind and connect the channels marked with the number 3, followed by the channels marked with the number 4. Open the blind fully and then close to test the operation before moving to the installation stage. If you experience any snagging or strong resistance, double check that no cords have been trapped in the corner components or in the end caps of the moving rail. Insert the assembled frame into the recess in your chosen orientation and secure it following the manufacturer's latest instructions. Push the moving rail away from the side channel to create more space for the insert strip. Ensure the cord is pulled out of the way as shown. Push the strip between the side channel and the moving rail. Slide the strip as far behind the moving rail as possible. You'll need to make sure the cord position is set on the inner side of the strip. Gently manipulate the cord as shown. Repeat the steps to finish the other sides of the frame.